this session we will discuss about the our topic. Our next topic is timeline controls. Okay. In the last video, we have already seen how to detach the audio or how to detach the video. Okay. So in this current session, we will understand about the timeline controls. Already we have discussed about the timeline controls. Okay. Now, so in for editing the video, 90% work depends on timeline. Okay. Now, so all the editing and manipulation with media files are done on the timeline. The timeline is the working area for the editor. Simple है. Timeline क्या है? Timeline is the working area for editor normally. In shortcut, what is timeline? Timeline is the working area for the editor or for video editor. Okay. Normally we will say we prefers editor. Okay, so let us first familiar with the timeline. So in the timeline section, we will see menu, cut, copy and paste, append, repel, delete, lift and overwrite, split also. There are some options given. So many will contain some of the actions. Okay, like insert tag, insert track, insert video track, insert audio track, like that. So cut, copy, paste. You also know cut is used to cut the content. Okay, copy is used to copy the content and paste is used to paste the content on our timeline. Okay, so append is used to add the media files on our track. Repel delete means if I have a little bit part of, or if I want to delete the track. Okay, delete some of the parts of video or audio, then select it and press on repel delete button. So it will remove the track. Normally we can say it will remove the our video or audio media contents. That's it. Okay. So a split button, override is used to override the contents on our timeline, and then a split is used to divide the contents in two sections. Okay, a split is used to divide our contents in two sections. That's it. So they are given some options. Okay, so time we see it has used menu options, menu section track options, insert audio track, video track, insert track, etc. Zoom control, zoom timeline video. What is zoom control? Okay, so everyone come with zoom control. Okay, now just close it. Open the shortcut application again. Okay. Open the file. I am taking a video file, and then add this media file to the playlist added, and then what we are discussing. Okay. So go to the main timeline menu and then track operations, insert track. Okay, so I have added a track and then drag video to this track. Okay, I have successfully tracked. So by using audio track or video track, you can by using menu section, you can add the tracks and many of the predefined functions or predefined options. Okay, so next is timeline menu. Okay, zoom control. Zoom control is very important. So here you can see there is a zoom control. The zoom control is used to mm, display your content into a entire screen, or increase your video or your media content to each and every second wise. Like if I will increase the media, first you can see our media file. Okay, media file. Now currently I have added only a video file, so it is 0 at the point of 0, and then at the point of uh, first 4 second, and that's the next 10 second, and then 15 second, and next 10 20 second, then 25 second. So if I will increase the timeline, then it will increase my timeline. You can see it is displaying from 0, then our first second, second second, third second. So if I will play this video now, then it will increase fastly. It will go my timeline pointer will fast. You have seen this timeline executor is running fast. So by using this timeline zoom section, you can maintain your time not web contents. You can maintain your media contents to preview your contents into a smaller or larger timeline, okay, with seconds. Okay na? So I am decreasing. Okay, if you will decrease more, then it will preview like this. So for fitting on a full screen of your video to the timeline, you will have to click on zoom timeline to fit. Okay, it has fit on our current screen. Okay. First, copy and paste. You also know what is a copy and paste. And delete. Okay. Delete object. So what is as we see, come everyone. Now going to first I am going to use snip. Sorry, not a snip, a split. A split is used to divide our contents into the two sections. So I want to remove from here. Okay, try to understand. I want to remove from here to here. Okay, that means I want to delete the contents from here to here. So for deleting the contents from here to here, that means we will use a split. Okay, so from here I am going to use a split button. So after splitting, you can see a pointer has been added. Okay, you can see the effects. Okay, so our video has been added two sections. First section is left side, and second section is right side. And then I want to again delete up to here na, up to 25 seconds I can say. So again split it has been okay, it has been divided into three sections. So I want to remove these sections. So select this section and then ripple delete. Select ripple delete. After ripple delete, it has been removed. Now you can see from here. So you have seen now the content has been deleted successfully. Okay, so by using ripple, we can remove the selected effects. Okay, selected contents. Normally we can say delete. Okay, so by using ripple, we can delete by using a split at play ahead. By using a split, we can divide our contents into the two sections. Okay, next. Zoom, zoom and zoom in timeline. I already told you. Record audio. Record audio means if by editing video, if you want to record audio on while video is playing, then you can record. Okay ना, you can record. जैसे कि आप वीडियो प्ले किए कर सकते हो, और बीच में आपको अपनी वॉइस डालना है, ठीक है, खुद से बोल करके, तो वहाँ पर आप रिकॉर्ड ऑडियो बटन पर क्लिक करके बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है. Editing media files, you have already seen the last video. I have already shown you how to edit the media files. Okay, splitting the track. Splitting the track means, splitting means होता है हमारे मीडिया फाइल्स को दो सेक्शन में डिवाइड करना, दैट इज splitting. Okay, dividing our track into two parts or two sections, that is known as a splitting. Okay, next is, it is normally for a study purpose. Okay, not for okay, now splitting the track. Splitting means normally dividing our track into the one or two or many sections. Okay, filter, it is very a concept. Applying filters on the selected piece of track. So filter is used to apply the video effects or sound effects or predefined effects on our project or on our video. So I am going to apply the filter. Okay, so I want to apply the filter. For applying the filter, we will use filter section. If on your computer, if filter is not available, everyone listen carefully, if on your computer if filter is not available, then go to one view option, file, edit, view option, and then choose filter. Okay, if you will click on filter, then it will appear here. Okay, for applying the filter, you need have to select your video. Okay, after selecting your video, click on plus button, and then I want to increase the brightness. Okay, so I have increased the brightness and then try to see. So it is too much bright. Okay, this video is having so much brightness, so you can maintain the brightness according to yourself. Okay, now by adding filters. So filter is having many options, like some of the favorite options. Some video options is there, some audio effects is there, so predefined effects is there. Okay, now so filter is to apply the media effects. Simple. What is filter? What is the use of filter? Filter is used to apply the media effects on our video, on our track. That's it. Okay, now so it is fully goes for practical. Okay, use practice. If you will do practice, then you can understand. But before understanding this current page number 92, you will have to do the practice. Otherwise, you cannot understand. Okay, it is fully depends on practice. Okay, next page. After doing the practice, you can read and understand. Reviewing the media. Okay. So reviewing the media. Okay, reviewing the media. What is reviewing the media? Reviewing the media is the type of template that shows how which we can specify like that. Reviewing मीडिया क्या करता है, एक जस्ट लाइक टेम्पलेट होता है जो दिखाता है कि आपका वीडियो एक्सपोर्ट होने के बाद, मतलब बनने के बाद कैसा दिखेगा. दैट्स इट, वही होता है प्रीव्यूइंग द मीडिया. ओके, जैसे देखिए हम अभी एक ब्राइटनेस ऐड किए थे अपने एप्लीकेशन में. ठीक है, ब्राइटनेस हम डिक्रीज कर दिया. तो देखिए एक ट्रैक को सिलेक्ट करके ब्राइटनेस डिक्रीज कर दिए. ठीक है ना. तो देखिए जैसे मेरे ट्रैक पर ब्राइटनेस ट्रैक खत्म होगा, नेक्स्ट ट्रैक पर आने पर वो क्या होगा, हमारा ब्राइटनेस नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा एक प्रीव्यूइंग द मीडिया का है, ये हमारा एक टेम्पलेट शो करता है. जैसे कि एक सेकंड, ये रहा हमारा प्रीव्यूइंग द मीडिया, जहाँ पर हमारा वीडियो को शो किया जा रहा है. ठीक है, तो चलिए दिखाते हैं प्रीव्यूइंग द मीडिया को. So you have seen previewing media is working. It is exporting the media file. Exporting, what is exporting the media file? So generally exporting the media when your project has been completed, or when your editing has been completed finally, then we exports our content to a file. Okay, अगर आपके फाइल में सिर्फ ऑडियो है तो आप लोग क्या करेंगे, एक्सपोर्ट करेंगे. एक्सपोर्ट करने के लिए आप नॉर्मली चुनेंगे, अगर आपका सिर्फ ऑडियो है तो MP3 चुनेंगे. अगर आपका वीडियो है तो हम रिकमेंड करते हैं यूट्यूब के लिए, क्योंकि आजकल जितना भी काम होता है ना, वो सारा यूट्यूब के लिए ही परफॉर्म किया जाता है. ठीक है. हाँ, अगर आपको वीडियो का ज़्यादा समझ है तो आप इसमें बहुत सारा ऑप्शन दिया गया, उसको आप चूज कर सकते हैं. बट नॉर्मली वीडियो एडिटिंग प्रेफर्स टू provide the videos for YouTube only. Okay, now if your content is having only audio, then you will have to choose MP3. Okay, now I am going to export this file on desktop. Okay, giving the file name, that is f I n e, fine. Fine. I am giving my video name is fine, and then save it. While saving it, you will have to keep patience, okay, for while exporting. Okay, it has been successfully exported. Now let us see how हमारा वीडियो कैसा है. आइए प्ले करते हैं. जीने का सही ढंग सीखे हम इसके संग सारे जमाने जड़ में अच्छे याद रहे सबका ये दुलारा है. So you have seen in this video, I have added an effect, filter effect to decrease. In filter effect, I have added to decrease the brightness. उसमें brightness हम कम कर रखे थे, इसमें brightness कम था, ठीक है ना. So you know how to export the video file, how to export the media, okay ना. So next is saving shortcut source file. What is shortcut source file? Shortcut source file is the type of configuration files or your project file. So that is containing how much task you have performed. Okay, now how much task you have performed. So every file is having some properties, like as document, like as PDF. So like as your shortcut file, it is .mlt extension. Okay ना. तो सपोज कीजिए कि आप किसी प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर, किसी वीडियो पर एडिटिंग पर काम कर रहे हैं, वीडियो को एडिट कर रहे हैं. 50% आज आप कर चुके हैं, उसको नेक्स्ट 50% आप कल पूरा करेंगे. तो उसको आप सेव करके रख सकते हैं शॉर्टकट के सोर्स फाइल के से. ठीक है, हम लोग फाइल नेम दे देंगे और .mlt के नाम से वो सेव हो जाएगा. फाइल टाइप mlt रहेगा उसका. और उसको फिर आप जब आप कल बैठेंगे तो उसको फिर से आप ओपन करके वहां से 50% के बाद से आप अपने वीडियो को एडिट करने के लिए कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. So your chapter has been successfully completed. Okay. There is some of the questions. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following is shortcut program? Shortcut program पूछ रहा है यहाँ पे, तो media editor हो जाएगा. ठीक है. In shortcut video is split which of the following positions? Position play ahead. Option C. Next, all editing operations on the media file shortcut done which of the following? Uh, Timeline. Okay ना. Editing operations on the media file in shortcut are which of the following? तो editing हम लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं टाइमलाइन पे. टू अंडर सर्टेन परफॉर्म व्हाइल एडिटिंग शॉर्टकट which of the following used. ये आप देख लीजिएगा, ऐसे हिस्ट्री या जॉब दोनों में से कोई होना चाहिए. ठीक है. आई थिंक टू undo we will use history. Okay, now we will use to begin your video with a slow fade. स्लो फेड इफेक्ट ये इफेक्ट है, तो इफेक्ट हमेशा फिल्टर में ही आएगा. ठीक है, इफेक्ट हमेशा फिल्टर में ही आएगा. तो इसी तरीके से आपका नेक्स्ट पेज में कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर भी है. चलिए क्वेश्चन आंसर देखते हैं. What is the significance of playlist and timeline in shortcut? The significance of playlist and timeline is place the our media files to the playlist, inside the playlist and inside the timeline we edits we performs the editing operation on our timeline section. That's it. What do you mean by ripples in shortcut? So ripple in shortcut. What do you mean by ripple? Ripple removes the tracks. Okay, remove the empty tracks. Okay, normally we can say ripples remove the empty places and joins it to it continues our video or it continues our tracks. ओके, रिपल क्या करता है, जो भी एम्पटी एरिया होता है उसको रिमूव कर देता है। ठीक है, एम्पटी एरिया जैसे कि सपोज कीजिए कि रिपल हम से सिंपली कह सकते हैं, सिंपल रिपल is used to remove the selected track. That's it. Okay, ripple is used to remove the selected track. That's it. What is the significance of filters in shortcut filters? The significance of filters is that to add the effects, audio effects or video effects on our project or on our track. That's it. How will you increase or decrease the volume? For increasing the or decreasing the volume, we will use so the volume control. By using so the volume control, we can increase the volume or decrease the volume. So I am going to show you. I have increased the sound. Okay, I am going to increase the sound. Okay, increase. Then you can see. So you have seen. Now I am going to decrease up to 40. Now play. You see now how to decrease or increase the audio or volume. Okay, next how will you add a new audio or video tracks in the timeline? सिंपल है, इसको प्रैक्टिकली तो ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा। देखिए, click on open file, then add your track, video track or audio track, and then click open. After clicking open, open, click on add button from playlist section, and after adding button select your track and then click on append button. Okay, this section is goes for same your audio and video both. That's it. ठीक है, वीडियो फाइल आएगा तो वीडियो के लिए वीडियो हम लोग सेलेक्ट करेंगे और सेम ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करेंगे, ऑडियो रहेगा तो ऑडियो सेलेक्ट करेंगे और सेम ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करेंगे। ये स्टेप आपको लिखना है, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं। ठीक है, so everyone, your chapter has been successfully completed. Thank you everyone. Okay, and be active, be attentive, do the practice, never leave the practice. Okay, so thank you everyone.